So hello guys. Today we are on the site. We are going to show you guys how to do a typical check for reinforcement of a slab before the concrete can be poured. So let's start. So the instrument that you need first is your tape measure. It's very important to get your tape measure. You need your drawings so that you can check what you can whether what is in the drawing is what has been done. So that is what we are going to start now. So the first thing I checked here was I have to check the beam reinforcement. So you can go around, check the beam reinforcement, make sure that whatever they've done is according to the drawing. Also, check the spaces under the reinforcement, the bottom bars. So they can, these are your hugging bars for the slab. These are your sagging bars for the slab. The same way for the beams. So these are the top ones for the hugging, the bottom ones for the sagging. So you check all those things, make sure that whatever they've done is okay. Now you can check the spacing between the rebars to make sure that what they've done is correct. And then you can also check the spacing. You don't have to check all the spacing. You can check some few intervals and then make sure they are okay. Also, you have to check the rebars, then the length of it, and make sure that it's according to the drawings. And then what else? So you have to check the weight of the beam. This one for the formwork, we've already done it, so there's no need for us to check it again because there's always need to check the size of the formwork before the rebars come, so that it will be easier for you when you are checking to be easier for you. But when the rebars come in, it's a little bit difficult to check the size of the for the beams. So now you can see as you read here. Now you have to also check for the rings. You see the wood bent it inside is very good. This one not so good. We have to work on it. And then you check the spacing for the rings too as well. Make sure that they are okay. The ones that are not okay, you can ask them to add any extra one or come and tighten it for it to be okay. So basically, this is what you check when you are on the site for an inspection. This one, both top and bottom was done, so we don't need to check anything serious about the slab. Sometimes you can just do the hugging of it for the top of the beam, then you leave the middle of the slab, so that one too can be done. And then this thing is very important. So it helps separate the top bars, the hugging bars from the sagging. It's very important. You have to put it in it so that it can be separated. Otherwise, sometimes when you finish casting, the top bars drop and then it joins the bottom bars, which is not good. So these are some of the things that we check. There are other things you can check, but these are the basic ones that we check. And then, please thank you for watching. Coming out.